penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher, Shalomi, and today I'm going to share with you a vase, a decorative vase that I'm going to put together with these two items from the Dollar Tree. I promised I would take you along with me on the DIYs I do for the upcoming baby shower. So here we are. This is one of our very first projects. So if you want to see what I am going to do with this vase, stick around. So the items you will need are obviously the two pieces that I have selected here, some gold glitter that I got in Walmart, this beautiful ribbon here, I also got it in Walmart, has a very beautiful pattern. I'll use it to do some embellishments. You're going to need to use some Mod Podge and your hot glue gun, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour the Mod Podge onto this paper plate and use this foam brush to put it onto the vase and add the glitter on. So let's go. So I have taped around the glass with some painter's tape just so I can have a border as to where I want the glitter to end. So that's your first step, and then what I'll do going forward from here is to just add the Mod Podge onto the vase, and I'm going to do this in sections. That way the Mod Podge doesn't start drying up on me too quickly before I add the glitter. So I've just added a light coat, and then I will just be adding the glitter on to the area that I've already added the Mod Podge. So step one, and I'll keep going around until the entire perimeter of the glass is complete, and I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Okay, so I've worked my way around and it is all shiny, but it needs to be dried, so I'm going to just sit it aside for a while for it to dry, and in the meantime I am going to work on this top part of the vase. Okay, penny pinchers, for this part I'm using the vase, and I have pre-cut a piece of this beautiful ribbon, as well as a little square from the bling ribbon that I have, and I'll show you what I'll do with that. So this is going in the center of this vase all the way around, and I'm just going to use the hot glue gun to hold it together. Okay, so this is a little bit long, so I'll give it a little snip right here, and then I'll glue this piece down to that side. So I've now attached both ends all the way around, and the reason why I'll be using this extra piece is because this ribbon tends to ravel a little bit, so I'm just gonna set it diagonally this way to cover that little raw edge that's coming up. Okay, so here we are. I have added this piece just to cover up that imperfection I just spoke about, and this is what it looks like going around. As well, the other part that I put the glitter on is dry. What I did after I added the glitter, I went over it one more time with the Mod Podge just to seal it in so I don't have any fallouts, and it dries clear, so this is what it looks like. What I did was, after I removed the tape from around it where I had the border, I didn't like the way the edges looked. They were a bit uneven, so I went ahead and added a piece of this beautiful ribbon, and likewise the other piece, I added some of the bling wrap here again to cover up the imperfection. So what I'll be doing to make my complete vase is I am going to put these two together. And I won't be using E6000 for this. I will just be using my hot glue gun because I may need to, you know, do something else with this for another project. So I am just going to kind of lightly go around the bottom with my hot glue. And then I'm going to add the top piece on, making sure that these two pieces, the bling wrap on both pieces, are as much as they can be in line with each other. And there you go. So guys, I went ahead and added a little something extra to this. I added blue gems at the bottom and the top. The bigger gem I have at the top, and the smaller one I've placed it on the bottom. I am not sure how I feel about it with the gems, so you leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you're liking it with or without it. Sometimes I like it and sometimes I'm not sure, but I've actually done two of these vases, and this is what it looks like with and without. Let me know. Sometimes when I look at it, I think that the blue kind of gives it a nice little pop of color, but I'm not sure that I want to keep it. So leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you like it with or without the pop of color. Okay guys, this is how I've displayed it. Again, I'm showing you both of them so you can tell me which one you prefer, with or without the blue gem. This one's holding little treats. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see pictures that I posted of the treats that I made. And this is just me and my daughter practicing for the baby shower to make these delicious sweet treats. This one is without the gem. I don't know, I think I'm kind of liking it with the gem now that everything is displayed. I think the gem just gives it that nice pop of color. So leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, if you like it with or without the gem. All right, thank you guys so much. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you for stopping by. I would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And for all my penny pinchers, love you guys so much. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye bye.